Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna reveal the Sony XA2 and then XA2 Ultra. The XA2 has a 5.2 inch LCD and 1080p by 1920, and it weighs about 171 gram. IPS LCD, Corning Gorilla Glass 4, Qualcomm Snapdragon 630. Octa-core 2.2 gigahertz, and then Adreno 508, 32 gigabyte of storage space, and 3 gigabyte of RAM. It has a 23 megapixel rear view camera and 8 megapixel front-facing camera with the aperture 2.4. The rear one is 2.0. It has support micro USB Type C. And it also has a fingerprint sensor on the rear mount. It has a lithium-ion battery, 3300 mAh. It offers a silver, blue, black, and then pink. And then for the XA2 Ultra, it is a Sense spec, except is a 6.0 inch display, and weight is about 221 gram. Both of them are Android 8.0 Oreo. And then the Ultra is a 32 gigabyte with a 4 gigabyte of RAM, and front-facing camera is 16 megapixel with the aperture 2.0. Both of them has a Bluetooth 5.0 and lithium-ion 3580 mAh. It offers silver, black, gold, and then a blue color. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video and subscribe to the channel and share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any comments on below. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out guys, and happy Monday.